A devastating sabotage attack has targeted Russian drone operators, leaving 8 servicemen blind after their FPV goggles exploded. Between January and February 2025, around 80 sets of Skyzone Cobra FPV goggles were sent to Russian armed forces units as free aid. The first explosion occurred on February 4 in Belgorod Oblast, injuring a soldier. 7 more followed in Kursk, Luhansk, and Donetsk regions. Investigations revealed C4 explosives, a detonator, and a battery were embedded in the goggles, triggered when the cooling fan was powered on. Authorities are now searching for other compromised devices. The attack, which Ukrainian officials haven't commented on, mirrors past Mossad operations against Hezbollah, where explosive-laden pagers were used. A decade-long covert operation involved rigging over 5,000 pagers and walkie-talkies, killing and injuring many militants to demoralize the group.